Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to create a native email theme with Keycloakify. So first thing you want to do is npx Keycloakify initialize email theme. All right, and you're going to be provided with two options. So first option is native, and the second option is with React and JSX email. So JSX email is not included into the core of Keycloakify yet. It's a third-party plugin. So in this video, we're going to focus on the bare-bone support of an email theme with FreeMarker. All right. So I select this. And what this does is it will create an email directory here in my project, and it will copy all the files that correspond to the default emails that are sent with the Keycloak theme. All right, and you will be able to modify them as you wish. So one thing that you might see is that all those files get ignored. So if you remove some of them, all right, and you just run yarn install again, they will be automatically restored. So this happens because the initialize command, what it does, it had a Keycloakify extension, email native, to your project, and it has this post install script. So Keycloakify has an extension mechanism that enables some module to copy some files into your project, and those files are by default get ignored. But if you want to take ownership of any of them, so if you want to modify any of them, you just have in the command, in the comment at the top of the file, you have a command that you can run. And if you run it, the files become part of your project. So now you see it's in green. It's because now it's a new file that Git recognize. It does that by automatically maintaining this sub git ignore file for you. So, okay. Now, how do we test those email and modify them? So here, it's not great. I won't lie. It's not a great experience. The only way you can do that is by running a Keycloak and making it send the email. We don't provide at the moment any utility to render the template locally. So, well, hey, we're going to do that. npx Keycloakify start Keycloak and select Keycloak 26. Okay, so first thing I want to do is, so I connect as the admin here, sign in, okay, and I gonna configure the email here. So I gonna use I use Zoho, which is a free email provider, and I gonna configure it very quickly. So here, Joseph, oh, I did the mistake. I did my mistake here. I was configuring the master realm. I should not be configuring the master realm. I want to configure the test realm here. First, because you should never touch any configuration of the master realm. And second is because only the configuration here that are changed in the my realm are saved, and I don't want to lose all my configuration when I kill the process here and launch start Keycloak later. So I go in my realm settings, email, and here I put so joseph@cmasim.com. all right, all this I think is not required. Here I'm gonna put smtpzo.com. The port is all right. Okay, SSL start TLS authentication. Here I'm gonna put my email, and here I'm gonna put my password. Okay. Now to test and send the test email here, I need to change the email of the admin user, because now I'm connected as an admin. But maybe I don't want to test with this admin, because first the admin user belongs to the master realm, and on the master realm I don't have my custom email theme enabled. And if I modify here, I put an email, it won't be persisted. So what I want to do instead is just access the admin console, but as the test user here. Test user password 123, okay. And here I can follow the link to the admin UI. And here, this user, this test user, belongs to the my realm. And on the My Realm, there is the custom email theme that have been automatically selected here. Okay, Keycloakify starter. So I'm gonna change the email here so that the user that is connected can receive an email. So I'm gonna put joseph.garon.gg@gmail.com. All right. I'm gonna go in Realm settings here, and I'm gonna try to receive an email. Okay. Test connection, and sure enough, if I go to my email, I should see that yes, I receive, this is a test message. So now let's try to modify this a little bit and put an hello world here to see if it is working correctly. Okay, so it rebuilds the theme now, and if I go back to here and I do test connection again, let's see if I see the okay, hello world, this is a test message. Okay, so now we can confirm that it works, but the test message is great, but we want to modify actually useful email. So for example, it's email verification that you receive when you register, and that you have to confirm your email. So we want to modify this one. So we're gonna eject this. I hope this is the correct one. Okay, email verification, okay. And here I'm gonna put hello world here. You can see that it's email verification body. If we go in the message here, message English here, message if someone has created an account with this email, if it was you, click on the link. Okay, so this looks good. I'm gonna put, maybe I gotta modify this to make sure that it works. So I won't eject this file and modify it directly. What I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna read this, and I can create a message English override proprietary file. Okay. So, and here I'm gonna put the message that I want to customize. Okay. And someone has created an account, and I'm gonna put 3 exclamation mark to see if it works. So message English override, here I got an hello world. And now how do I make Keycloak send me this email? So I'm gonna go in the Keycloak configuration again. Okay. And what I want to do is in authentication required actions, I'm gonna put verify email, and I'm gonna toggle it to set as default action. Okay. And now I'm gonna log out here. Okay. I log out and I go to my theme again. All right. Okay. Register, and I'm gonna register as Garon.G, password 123, password 123, Joseph Garon. I'm gonna put another email here, protonmail.com. All right, first name Joseph Garon, favorite pet cats. All right, and so here I don't have any term, but I do accept. And here I should have, now you need to verify your email, okay? And if I'm right, if I go in my other inbox here, yeah, so I get the hello world here, and I get the 3 exclamation mark. So it has worked indeed, and now I can verify the email, and I'm connected. You can see that this tab has refreshed, and now I am connected. Okay, so this is obviously not great. It's not a great developer experience, but still, it's good to know how it works. And keep in mind that you have another option that provides much better testing capability here by using the GSX email extension. With this, you have a storybook, you can preview the email template, and you have much better tooling to test your emails. Last thing I want to share with you maybe is about theme variants. So if you go in Vite config here and you have theme name and you have like vanilla and chocolate, okay, you have two theme. Let's see, we will restart. Okay, 26, all right. Okay, let's go. Okay, test user password 123. Okay. If I go to Realm console, well, first thing you can see is that even if you have restarted, everything is still configured, so it's still the same. But now I get vanilla instead of Keycloak if I starter, and I also have the option to select chocolate. So this is if you have multiple realms and you want to send different email with different realm, you can create variant here. And how do you implement variant with a native Keycloak theme like this? You can use, for one, a special premarker variable, which is x keycloakify theme name. Okay, so if I use this, I'm gonna go in email. Okay, test connection. All right, and here I should receive an email shortly. Yep. Okay, so here you see hello world vanilla. All right, but now if I go and in themes I select chocolate. Okay, and I send a test connection email again. Here, sure enough, I should receive yes, hello world chocolate. Okay, so first you have this variable name that you can use and will tell you which variant is enabled. And second, you also have, so let's see, we're gonna see email body HTML, this message here. Okay, so I go in English, yes, English, and this is a test message. So let's say we want to modify this text in a different way if it's chocolate or if it's email. So I'll explain in the comment here. So I'm gonna create a file here, message English override vanilla and message English override chocolate. Okay, so create new file here. Okay, vanilla, and vanilla here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this line here. I'm gonna paste it here, this is a test message vanilla. Okay, and I'm gonna create another variant of this file, but instead of vanilla I'm gonna put chocolate. Show, and here I'm gonna put chocolate. Okay, so it should rebuild the email. All right, and now if I go to my Keycloak server, and I don't remember which one is currently it's chocolate, so I should receive a message for chocolate here. So email, test connection. Okay, let's see. And here, this is a test message chocolate. All right, and just for to be 100% sure everything work, I'm gonna select vanilla here, save, and send the email again. So test connection. Okay, okay, okay. Hello world vanilla. This is test message vanilla. So you can create theme variants even with native themes.